Hello, today I am going to be solving the numericals and diffraction of light. That is the Fresnel's diffraction, that is the Fresnel's off-period zones and zone plate. So the first problem is a plane wavefront, light of wavelength 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5 falls on an aperture. Okay, explanation. Just to read the problem. Okay, distance of the point is 1 meter from the aperture. Then find the radius of the 100th off-period element. Area of the off-period zone. Okay, lambda is given to be 5 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, then distance of the point 1 meter, then converted into centimeter, 100 centimeter, n is equal to 100. Then the radius of the off-period zone formula, Rn is equal to, isn't it? That is the square root of Bn lambda. Substituting for the things, calculate, you will get 0.707 centimeter. Then what is the area of each off-period zone? As you know that all off-period zones of same area. The area of each off-period zone formula is 5b lambda. Area of each off-period zone is 5b lambda. That is equal to substituted. Okay, that is a pi 3.14 b 100 5 in 10 power 5 0.0157 centimeter square. Then in the next problem, how many off-period elements are contained? In a plane wavefront where the radius of the nth off-period zone is 1 centimeter, the wavelength is so much, that is 5.56 into 10 to the power of minus 5 centimeter. With respect to the point, 60 centimeters. The radius is 1 centimeter, b 60 centimeter, lambda 5.56 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, then you have to find the n value. To find the 10 value, this is a formula, that is Rn is equal to, okay, you have to consider that, okay, have to consider Rn square is equal to Bn lambda. Therefore, n is equal to Rn squared by B lambda. Rn is 1 centimeter, 60 they are substituted. By calculating, you will get 300. That means if the radius of the nth off-period zone is 1 centimeter, then how many number of off-period zones are there? That is 300 zones will be one. So that's about the problem. Then next to come to the next problem. Consider third one. Okay. With respect to the 0.5 centimeters, with respect to the 0.5 centimeter, okay. With respect to the 0.5 centimeter, okay, at a distance from the point, the wavelength of the light is 6,000 angstroms. Calculate the radius, not the radius here, that you have to find. Already I told, it is not the radius. How to what you have to find? You have to find the number of, instead of calculating, what you have to find? Find number of half period zones. Find number of half period zones in the circular hole of radius 1 centimeter. Okay, so that radius of 1 centimeter to consider as radius of the nth half period zone. Okay, so if there are n number of in a circular, this is a circular hole which is going to be illuminated by the light of wavelength 6000. With respect to the point at a distance 50 centimeters, how many number of half period zones will be there? Okay, pi b lambda is the area of each half period zone. If there are n number of half period zones will be there, then area of the circle, that is a pi r square. Pi r square. This pi get cancelled. Therefore, n is equal to 1 from there. That is r square by b lambda. By substituting, you will get the radius 1 centimeter, sorry, 50 centimeter, sorry, radius of the 1 centimeter, so the 1 square divided by 1 square divided by b, that is a 50 into 6000 into 10 to the power of minus 8. By calculating that, you get number of half period zones as 333. Got it? So that is about the one problem. Then next, the diameter of the fourth problem, the diameter of the first string of the zone plate is 1 millimeter. If the plane wave of wavelength 5000 angstroms falls on a plate, where should be screen placed so that light will be focused to the brightest spot? Light focusing point means it is nothing but the focusing point. So calculate the distance on that. You have to find the focal length. Okay. So for that, what are the given? Radius of the limb. This is also one of the important problem. What is the radius? Focal length of the zone plate. Formula F is equal to Rn squared by n lambda. Brightest spot means you have to take n is equal to 1. Brightest spot means n is equal to 1. Here n is equal to 1. Focal length F is equal to n. When you take n is equal to 1, then F is equal to Rn squared by R1 squared by lambda. What is the radius? Given to be diameter given as 1 millimeter. Radius 0.5 millimeter. Centimeters only 0.05. 0.05 whole square divided by lambda. To the 500 into 10 to the power of minus 8. Got it? Calculate the focal length. So brought to focus, brightest spot formation the screen should be placed at a distance of 50 centimeters from the plate. 50 centimeters from the plate. Simple problems, but stay important. 5 marks problem. 4 marks. Okay. Any doubt? Then now consider this fifth problem. A little bit different. What do you have? What are the given? What are the given? Given. Okay. So given object is placed at, read the problem. An object is placed at 20 centimeter from the zone plate. The object distance that you consider as U. and the brightest image is formed situated at in terms of u and ಇದು the point of the image ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿಗೆ image distance v. A zone plate with a light of wavelength 4000 into 10 to the power of minus 8. 4000 into 10 to the power of minus 8 centimeter. Okay. So we have the formula 1 by u plus 1 by v is equal to 1 by f. 1 by f. Other than the first find out f, find the f value. Okay. That you can equate it to Rn squared by n lambda. That you're going to equate it to f is equal to Rn squared by n lambda. When you have a brightest image, you have to take n is equal to 1. Okay. When you take n is equal to 1, okay, n formula Rn squared by n alone. So f sorry, you have to find the number of Fresnel zones find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. So that is ಇದರಿಂದ n is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Rn squared by f lambda. The radius 1 centimeter 1 square divided by focal length 10 centimeter lambda 4000 angstroms ಇದೆ. ಅದನ್ನ convert into centimeter and shift the point, you will get 4 into 10 to the power of minus 8. From this you have to calculate, you will get n is equal to 2500. Some important problems ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. even ನಿಮ್ಮ semester exams ಅಲ್ಲೂ zone plates ಮೇಲೆ problems are very important. Problems on zone plate are very important as far as the examination point of view. Got it? Any doubt about this, students? Hello? Is there a class only?
Yes, sir.
Oh. Problem ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಇದು?
Yes, sir.
ನೋಡಿ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ exam point of view ತುಂಬಾ important ಇರ್ತದೆ. Okay? Then next go to the next problem. Simple ಇರ್ತವೆ ಅಂತ critical problems ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಇದು. Focal length formula ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿತು. But you have to understand the problem, what you have to calculate and what you have to find ಅನ್ನೋದು important. See, consider here sixth problem. A zone plate. Okay. A zone plate. So after this 10 minutes is going to be class mugitade. So today is enough. After this break, no, it is enough. Before that, anyone of you send the attendance. Now only you can take that, send that. A zone plate has a focal length 50 centimeter at a wavelength 6000 angstroms. What will be its focal length at 5000 angstroms? Andre 6000 angstroms. When I consider 6000 angstroms, okay, when you consider 6000 angstroms, focal length is 50. Then what will the focal length at 50? Okay, for that, first consider this as f1 and this as a lambda 1. What will the f2? That you have to find out. Lambda 2 given. So what is the f formula? Rn squared by n lambda. Rn squared by n lambda. This implies that the formula imply they are inversely proportional. With respect to the wavelength, radius n constant, this implies that f focal length with respect to wavelength, it is inversely proportional. So if that will the case, then f2 by f1 antandre lambda 1 by lambda 2. f2 by f1 antandre lambda 1 by lambda 2. As they are inversely proportional, f2 by f1 andaga lambda 1 by lambda 2 because they are inversely proportional. Therefore, f2 is equal to f1 into lambda 1 by lambda 2. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. That is lambda 1 is 50. Sorry, lambda 1 f1 is 50, lambda 1 6,000 10 to the power of minus 8, lambda 2 5,000 into 10 to the power of minus 8. This minus 8 cancel. ಈ 3 zeros cancel ಆಯ್ತು ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? 10 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 10 into 6 60 centimeter. Got it? Very simple, but only thing is you must know the problem. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ. Only the thing what is required in the physics numericals. Okay, then next what you have, next problem. Okay, 7th. Calculate the radius of nth of period zone. Calculate the radius of first 3. Calculate radius of first 3 clear elements of a zone plate. Radius of the first 3. Radius of the first zones plate which have designed to bring a parallel beam of light of wavelength 6,000 angstroms to the focus at a distance 2 meters. Okay, focus at a distance 2 meters. The focal length 2 meters ಆದರೆ first 3 clear zones ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ. Rn is equal to formula square root of nf lambda. Okay, square root of nf lambda. First zone ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to, if I take 1, then R1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ square root of f lambda. Substitute ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜೋನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ n is equal to 3. ಯಾಕೆ 2 ಹೋಯ್ತು? ಇನ್ ಜೋನ್ ಪ್ಲೇಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಟರ್ನೇಟಿವ್ ಜೋನ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಸೊ 1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ಗೆ 3 ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಫೋಕಲ್ ಲೆಂತ್, ಬಟ್ n ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 3 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ R2 ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಸಿಮಿಲರ್ಲಿ third n is equal to 5. Okay, R3 is equal to substitute ಮಾಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, what happens now? ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 ಬರಬೇಕು. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 5 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 3 you have, 5 you have. Okay, so like that you have to got the radius of the first 3 clear elements of the zone. The first 3 zones, radius of the first 3 zones have to find out. Okay, very simple, just explain. Then next to come to the next problem. Yeah, next problem. Okay. I think most probably this is the last problem. We'll explain more time also. A narrow slit illuminated by light of wavelength 6,400 angstroms, placed at a distance 3 centimeter. This problem on this one, the diffraction of light at the straight edge. Diffraction of light at a straight edge mele problem. Okay, what is given? A narrow slit illuminated by light of wavelength 6,400 angstroms, placed at a distance of 3 meter. Okay, ಅಂದ್ರೆ object is slit is at a distance 3 meter ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ that is a B value. Okay, B value is equal to 3 meter. Meters ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ okay, meter ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಲಿ. Then ಆಯ್ತಾ? Then next to have that screen is at a place at a distance. Sorry, this is a A. This is a A value. Sorry, this is a A value, and B value given to be 6 meters. Lambda given to be 6,400 angstroms. 6,400 angstroms. This meters so no substitution yavralli bardidare. The distance of the slit nth. Calculate the distance between the first and fourth dark band. Dark ಅಂದ್ರೆ minima. ಮಿನಿಮಾಗಿ ಏನು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ nth ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಗೆ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ xn is equal to square root of 2b into a plus b n lambda by a. ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಡಿರೈವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಥಿಯರಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್. ಐ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿರೈವ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ ಮಿನಿಮಾ. ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಮಿನಿಮಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x1 ತಗೋದು. x1 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ n we have to take minimum, yeah, n you have to take 1. n substitute 1 ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಸೇರಿ b into a plus b 2 lambda by a ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 into 1 ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸೊ 2 ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು x4 ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಆಫ್ n you have to take 4 into 2 8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8 lambda b into a plus b. What you have to find? Distance between the first and fourth ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ x4 minus x1 you have to find. x4 minus x1 value you have to find. Okay, so for that what you have to do? ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಏನಾಗಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. See that. What you can take out? Okay, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ b x4 minus x1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂತಾರೆ? ಕಾಮನ್ ಏನ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದಾರ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೊ ರೂಟ್ ಬಿ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಬೈ ಎ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾ ಆಚೆಗೆ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ x4 ಇಂದ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಕಾಮನ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ರೂಟ್ 4 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಮೈನಸ್ ಇದಿಷ್ಟು ಸೇರಿ 1 ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ 300 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾನೆ. 300 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ 3 ಮೀಟರ್ ಇತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನ 300 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್, ಬಿ 600 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಬ್ಡಾನು ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ವರ್ಟೆಡ್. ಸೊ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್, ಯು ಗಾಟ್ ದಟ್ 0.48 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್. ಆರ್ ಯು ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದಿಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನ್ಯೂಮೆರಿಕಲ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಬರೋದು. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಕಾಂಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಗುವಂಥದ್ದು ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಓಕೆ, that's why. Okay, so this about the numerical part. Okay, also you have to be get prepared for your exam. Okay, and one more thing, on Monday I think we have languages. Okay.